Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now, this is a project to build a highway from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. So the highway starts in St. Andrew, goes through St. Thomas, and goes into Portland. So the section we're looking at today is between the Harborview Bridge and the Yallows Bridge. Now we are in Bull Bay, and this is the alignment of the highway, and right in front is the Bull Bay police station. It is in the route of the highway and has to be demolished so that the highway can run. Now this highway was to have been finished in April of 2023, and the deadline has now changed to August 2023, and the police station is still there. So I don't know if it's a case where the highway took a wrong turn and people just realized that they need to remove the police station, or is it that they knew the police station had to be removed but for 5 years, 6 years, nothing was done. So now all of a sudden they see the highway literally and are making plans to build a temporary station. Now this project started in 2017. We're in 2023 now, and it's when the highway is ready to be completed that they have decided to build a new police station. And I don't even think they've started building a new station yet, because we came over here some months ago looking for the construction of the new police station to make a video of it, and we couldn't find it. And then the government announced recently, I think after April, the government announced that they are going to be building a new police station and a temporary police station because this one has to be removed. So I'm not sure what happened. I mean, I'm sure it was known from 2017, even before, because they had to plan it, they had to align the highway. I'm sure it was known that this police station, we're going to show you from the other side, that this police station was in the path of the highway. I'm really surprised as to why it's a rush thing at now, so many years after it was known. And the police station is still there, because you can't really just tear down a police station and not have another one up and running. Because police stations are very important in Jamaica, especially now in 2023. Alright, we're going to show you the station from the other side. Okay, we're going to reverse to give you a better view of the highway, and so you can see better how the highway is going right through the police station. Okay, so there you can see the Jersey barrier. So this will give you an excellent idea of what we're talking about. Now, there's nothing wrong. I mean, the highway is progress. Jamaica needs a highway. This part of the country needs a highway. But they knew, and this police station should have been built already, or it shouldn't be a rush job at the end now. And this section of the highway is to open in August 2023. August, which is 8 weeks away. And I'm not sure if they've started construction on a temporary police station yet. But I don't think it should have come to this late date. I think they should have built the station already. Because, I mean, it's not a surprise, it's known. There must have been something in the highway budget for the building of a police station. I'm going to show you the path of the highway from this side now and show you how it's, I mean, an alternative could have been to avoid the police station and leave it as is, but there you see the station straight ahead. I guess if they were to leave the police station, they would have to go more to the right and interfere with those structures there. I don't think they could go to the left because there are homes over there. So for whatever reason, there you can see the homes. So that's the police station here. The trees are kind of blocking it, but there you can see that's the police station. So if they were to take the highway left, it would interfere with the people's homes. If they were to take the highway right, all those structures would have to be removed. Okay, well, at the end of the day, the decision was to relocate the police station and the highway go through it. So it's very unfortunate that they haven't built the new station yet. Alright guys, so that's the update on the Bull Bay police station. We'll keep you guys updated and we will try and come back when they are actually removing the station, demolishing it, so that we can make a video. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about the whole process for removing the police station and the fact that it's taking so long. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.